Nakitulong kari kasi. Ngiwan lam siya pi ko sngur bakhuit parpasngam. Ka beats aqua. Sipausnem dang yai pinja sliang.
Katamasa kiat ne ka wine festival ka ba asngi kalas dang hakanong ba menta kasngi hasilong. Ya kani katamasa la pelong ka Meghalaya Fruit Winemakers Association shibenta ban kintiu shushu ya kani ka kam san kiat ne ki wine ban kintiu ya ka yo ka kot jong kinong rep pat ki bedan penta ha kani ka kam. Kidon arpo ngut ki bala yo ya ka license ban shed kiat ha ka jela ka bala wani shib benta ha kani ka tamasa pat kumbasan po ngut kinong rep na kaleng ki jaka ki ba wani shib benta na lor ki brio na katanat excise wine shops bonded warehouse pat ki we apli ya kani ka tamasa kiat de ka commissioner and secretary ka kong mat siu dorwar ka bala kentui kinong shed kiat ba kinang shim shu ikiwe kilat kilinti ban kintiu ya kani ka kam ban nak liang sokar kan don drinkat ban ai ka jingkershan yaki kat baga deputy commissioner ka East Khasi Hills ka kong Rosette Mary Kurba kala ai min sim ki bodon benta ha ka dia kam ka balas dang benang he nangsan ha ka por min chwa ha ka ba pat don batip ba bana bha chapang ka dia ka kam
Não sou lá.
Kabedi kani ka journey donkey winemakers ka sedang lagi nongret. So kuplay sibon na ka jumban jongpi hamni. I kuplay up this like 20 years ago. I know Kong Bari who's been there for like many long years. I've been to her resort and I've seen her her wine products there. And of course I met Jade who again Kansai wines, right? And then the other fellow, yeah, Ba'damud. Say some, and I believe that is a dream come true for some of you because there's nothing greater than doing. Your passion becomes your profession. So some of you it's a hobby, but it now has become a profession. So I congratulate all of you and I wish all of you the best of luck. I just want to say something that over the years that I've seen in any business, we need to sustain ourselves and it kind of boils down to the material. So when I say about material is that we have to take care of our farmers. We have to, certain parameters because once you're talking about the fruit, then it has to be a certain quality of that fruit. Then you have to educate the farmers, to come up and ensure that they produce quality fruit. And therefore, we really need to, as you're looking at the end product here today, marketing and things like that, that's the end. But you also have to look at the beginning, that which is the fruit itself. So you really have to identify this issue so that your business will grow and it will not stop at any point of time. With this, I thank each one of you for inviting me here today.
This Meghalaya Wine Economy Summit, I was quite taken by surprise, to be very frank, because it came in quite late. However, that said, I think it's a long pending summit. It's something that should have happened many years ago, but I think it's come at the right time, because this is the time that government has really taken not only interest but with passion and with vigor through the dynamism of our Honorable Chief Minister, Conrad Sangmasa, to ensure that fruit wine in Meghalaya takes center stage, not only in the state, not only in the region, but hopefully in the country and the world. This Meghalaya Wine Economy Summit, I feel that your theme is very apt, transforming local wine industry through strategic collaboration. Wine, as believed in age-old days, is the food of the gods, and that it adds fire and warmth to our soul. I'm sure that with this summit, we will see the growth of our wine industry, and I wish this summit and the Winemakers Association all the best. Thank you.